Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have absolutely no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. If it's something I can link, I will absolutely link it right down in the description. You can check it out if you want to. When you use my links, it supports my channel, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks so much to the gentleman who sent this in. This will be going back to him when I'm done. Thanks to my patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. You guys happy I brought the leather card back? I still use the metal one for reviews, but I feel like it doesn't slap. That leather card slaps, right? Literally. So I just use the, I throw the leather one in the beginning, right? Just seems like that was the right way to go. Okay, we have two. One, and there's another one right there. Metal, here is the blank you were looking for, and thanks for the opportunity to contribute to your channel. Keep up the hard work. P.S. Open the burgundy case last. It might make you chuckle. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so this is yeah, I know what this is now. Yeah, this is the new Gerber Sedulo. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know how to pronounce it. I do the same thing you guys do. I look at words that I've never seen, and I go, huh, I wonder how that's said. And then I go to Google, right? And then I learn, and then I go around telling people how to pronounce it as if I knew all along, right? I'm just like you. I'm just like you, smart guys. Come on, here we go. Yeah, this is available right now. I'll link it right down below. Okay, so I made a comment in a recent video about, you know, knives that were available on Blade HQ or DLT, I can't remember. And I said, oh, there's the Sedulo, or however you want to say it, right? The Gerber. And I said, okay, so it's S30V, made in the USA, right? But it's using the injection mold plastic scales, and it's got a real bug outy frame. I was like, that's a bug out, but it's like a Gerber bug out, right? They didn't do. Let me say this. This guy is S30V, and it is using the injection mold plastic scales, whatever they are. But it feels way more solid. This feels way more solid than the bug out. I don't care how many of you tell me, I cannot with the bug out and the Grivery scales. I can't, won't, will not, has to be. In fact, I'm not even comfortable with just like the G10 or the titanium even. I'm sorry, or the aluminum or the carbon fiber. It's got to be titanium. It's got to be. The aluminum actually is pretty good. I shouldn't have said aluminum, but like the carbon fiber, the G10, and especially the Grivery or the Grivery or however you want to say that, right? However Google told you to say it. Yeah, that's a no-go for me. It has to be tie. Now, this guy's thicker, definitely. I'm sure that is contributing. But what else? Much larger cartridge liner. Much larger for folks looking at this and going, but the price is okay on it. It is. The price is all right on this, considering what it is. People get mad. It's just S30V in plastic. Guys, stop reducing things to just the materials. There's so much more. So much more. Price in this is pretty good, considering where it's made. This has a much bigger, that goes all the way down. All the way. That cartridge liner goes all the way down to the bottom versus what the bug out does, which is a little teeny tiny little cartridge thing here. You can see it in the titanium here. That's it. It stops right there, right? So that's why when you get one of these, now, yeah, it's thinner, right? It's thin. It's definitely thinner. It's going to be a little lighter. But, I mean, come on. Like, comparing with this with the bug out seems appropriate. I mean, it seems like that's kind of what they were going for. They just made a little bit more robust knife here. But this is going to feel substantially more robust because of the much more heavy-duty reinforcement in the liner. And then also these scales, I think, just feel substantially more solid. I got to be honest, I really like this grip pattern here, too. I want Gerber to succeed. I do, right? Because they just haven't had a good go of it for a while. They've made some stuff that's like, yikes, right? But they've also, you know, they kind of been poking their head up into this section of the knife world, trying to see, like, what do you guys like, right? What should we do here? And they've made a couple of decent models. This is obviously a user, right? So I'm not going to judge it too hard, but Okay, solid. Can't say it feels any more or less smooth than any other Benchmade I've ever handled utilizing a similar lock. It's extremely similar, right? Ergonomic lines, very good. Pocket clip, also pretty good. Nice work on that, Gerber. A little bit of a bill, little bit. Look, they even smoothed out that section under there. Yeah, okay, you know what? This isn't bad. This is not bad at all. What are we looking at for length? It's probably almost exactly the same length. Yeah, you can't tell me that they weren't going for... They made a bug out that was a little bit more robust. I'm trying to think of a clever name for it. Yeah, no, I think this is probably 7 3/4. No, it's 8. Almost. It's about 7.8 inches. So here's the Ritter Hogue, which would be even more robust. If you've ever thought to yourself, the bug out's just too small, and gosh darn it, that Ritter Hogue is just too meaty. He's too meaty. In between, right there, this is your guy, right here. Yep. Sedulo, however you want to pronounce it. Not bad. Not bad, Gerber. Pretty cool for US made. I don't know what ECE stands for. I'm going to guess that it has to do with the person who purchased it. But okay, that's cool. And then what is this? What is this? Is this Rike? Okay. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Well, with this, if this is Rike, then we are looking at titanium, and I'm not sure. It could be damaged steel, it could be Damascus. I have no idea what this is. Let's look at the little note here. The Rike Hummingbird is what that is. I'll link the Rike Hummingbird down below if I can. And then thank you very much. He sent me his return information. Very cool. Very cool. This is really, look at this. The detent is actually really good. Oh, thank goodness they included the steel lock bar insert. Look at the work on this. Oh, this is that, it's like an iridescent anno. Watch. So as we turn, we'll slowly become more purple, right? Same thing everywhere. The blue parts will change to purple as you kind of, get to the point where the light's not directly. See, like right now, the pocket clip is almost completely right there. Completely. It's almost turning pink, and then nope, it's actually blue, right? Pink and then blue. All right, let's zoom in. See if we can capture that. How cool. How cool, right? I love stuff like this. That's awesome. Really, really neat. I love that it flips, right? Companies who still try to figure out, like how to get their action tuned properly, and Rike over here is like this. Yeah, we, no problem. You want it in a 1-inch folder? No problem. We got that tuned properly. Okay. So yeah, legitimately, my first impressions of the Gerber Sedulo are, I still don't like Grivery or injectable plastic or FRN or GRN or whatever. I don't care. It's all plastic to me. I don't like it. This feels substantially more solid than the base bug out. S30V does not bother me at all just because it's been around for a while. So has 20CV and M390 and 204P. Did you guys know that? Duratec 20CV has been around forever, and we put that up on a pedestal and pretend like it's new and always superior to S30V, but for whatever reason we take S30V and go, oh, that's old steel, it can't be on a new knife. No, it's just fine. I don't have a problem with S30V. It is still a powder form steel. It is made for knives. Very fine, just fine, no problem. This feels more robust, feels more capable, and it'll still carry fairly lightweight. It will carry fatter, definitely. It'll carry thicker, and the bug out quality is way higher than I thought it was going to be for Gerber, definitely. So pretty cool. A little bit of a bill on that clip, not a big deal. Honestly, that's looking pretty good. I know that this is available, so I will definitely link it down below. I don't know about the Hummingbird, but I'll link them both if I can. Anyways. Excuse me. Thanks so much to the gentleman who loaned these to me for review. These will go back to him when I'm done. You will absolutely get full comprehensive reviews of these knives a few weeks down the road. Maybe the Hummingbird. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impression. So we'll do that down the road. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.